For months, Republicans have wasted time by refusing to negotiate with Democrats on a deal that would extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits. These tax credits allow hardworking families to see their doctors when they get sick, get medication, or have life-saving surgeries. If Republicans let these credits expire, millions of Americans in red, blue, and purple districts will be forced to make incredibly difficult financial decisions or be priced out of health care altogether. An example, in my district, Amy in Redlands is a small business owner. She told me that her health care would jump from $650 per month to $2,000 per month. Amy said she doesn't know if she'd be able to afford her living expenses, let alone this increase. Unfortunately, this is not a unique example around the country. As the richest nation in the world, we cannot allow this to happen.
So Republicans have continued to attack health care. They passed a law and enacted policies to make healthcare more expensive. They made deep cuts to Medicaid. There's a $500 billion cut slated for Medicare, and the Affordable Care Act is going to dramatically increase because of Republicans' attacks on healthcare. Yesterday, a Gallup poll came out showing that this is now weighing on American people's minds in a very big way. Nearly half of the American people, 47%, believe they cannot afford healthcare next year. And then Gallup asked a second question about drug prices, and 1 in 5 Americans say they or one of their family members can no longer afford prescription drugs. That is the highest that survey has ever recorded since they asked that question. And so we're asking Donald Trump Republicans to get serious and work with Democrats on bringing down healthcare costs instead of increasing healthcare costs. And nothing Republicans are doing this week is going to help reduce the cost of healthcare